Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this video was unplanned, so y'all gonna have to work with me a little bit. So anyways, this is kind of how I did her braids for her lace closure sew-in. And as you can see, I just braid straight back and I part it wherever she wants. So this is the closure that she used. It's very affordable. It was $25. I think that's what the price tag said. But yeah, and these are the bundles that we're going to use to create her style. So the first thing that I did was I applied her lace closure and made sure it was secure. And then I just went ahead and applied her bundles. I did double her tracks because I wanted it to be thick. I didn't want, you don't want a flat sew in. So yeah. So this is just a little footage of me sewing the rest of her bundles in. Now let me tell you a little bit about some of the stuff I do. So my braiding patterns, I do straight back, and then you know how you braid it back and then pull the tail end of the braid. That's how I do my braiding patterns. That's what gets my installs flat and nice, and it makes them last really long. And also it helps clients when they take their hair down, they don't have to do too much. It's easy. So now I'm just gonna throw some barrel curls in this curling iron. I got it from Beauty Master. I think it was like $26, and it gets really high. It goes up to 450. So yeah, and it curls really nice. Okay, y'all, so I am gonna come back and do another more detailed video on how I do a lace closure. I'm gonna do details on how I do my braiding pattern and how I actually apply the lace closure. Like I said, this was just like a random thing. This was not planned. But I want to say thank you to my client Brittany. She was really nice, and thank you, Brittany, for letting me put you on my YouTube channel. So as you can see, her hair turned out really nice. And yeah, her closure is super cute. So I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And these are a few pictures that I took and that she sent to me. So yeah, bye.